central Payne County in central Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles northwest of Langston, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado.
There it is. It's for Grady. They don't serve Grady? Nah, there's no way. They don't serve Grady? Hello, can I zoom in? Bro, I just tried to zoom in and they just okay, there we go.
Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County and central Oklahoma.
Oh no, they do.
County and southwestern
It's just that they don't serve
southeastern
cattle.
Union County and central Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Chickasha, moving east at 25 miles an hour.
Okay, hold on.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern
a station
Oklahoma
that's
City,
about an
Anadarko,
air and
Mustang,
SVR.
Kettle, Minko, Verdon, Amber,
Where is it?
Hacasset, and Lake Chickasha.
Oh, here it is.
A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned areas. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Norman has